4 lakh views. That's how much views my previous course had, which took people from what is AI to building their own AI in less than 30 days. Now that was free, but I used a lot of thumbnails made with the help of AI. Lot of things from creating advertisement posters, everything we did with the help of AI. And that is what I want to show you today. So even if you are selling something to, even if you are a student, I want to teach you how to create these posters, create these thumbnails with the help of AI. Because I do have my new challenge, and for that I obviously had to create thumbnails and all, which you might have already seen because the challenge is ongoing right now. But I want to show you how I actually did that in this video. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we'll be using the Seedream by Byte Plus. Now this is a very cool model because this lets us create pictures in 4K quality. Lets us upload 10 pictures and make it one. It's a crazy tool. Let me just show you the power. Now this is Byte Plus's website. Here we come, and here we can upload a reference image. Let's say this picture, and here we upload a prompt just like any other image generator. Now we can group pictures, storybook, comics. There's a lot of option. Here we can choose the quality. So I'm going to just choose 4K. The ratio it's very customizable. That's one big advantage of Seedream. Okay, so now I have a prompt with the uploaded picture of myself. You can see this. This is the prompt. Pause if you want to read. Basically, I'm just talking about how I want a picture of me and with a glowing icons and stuff like that. Let's see what it makes. Now, while this is cooking, these are some example pictures which I made with Seedream. These are just so cool. Seedream is actually so powerful, and the fact that it gives us 4K quality pictures is crazy.
5 minutes later.
Now see how crazy this is. You don't even have to be in front of the camera and there's an overhead shot and you're writing week 2, week 3. Like Seedream is just crazy, guys. Now what we want to do is edit this a bit so it looks way cooler. I'll show you what you can do. Okay, so now I made the changes where it's supposed to add the text also. Let's see what it does. This is actually so crazy, guys. Oh, it's done. Okay, I like what it did here. It actually followed what I wanted. But what we can do is, like, the purple thing is there, the text is there. Let's make the text look a bit more better, not just normal text, right? With bit more depth effect and all. I mean, let me explain. I'll do it and I'll show you guys. Okay, so this time I told it to add a bit more flair to the text, like you can see here, minimal UI text style and all, stylish. You can copy this if you want. Let's see what it makes. And sometimes if you want, let's say neon, you can say neon color. If you want glassmorphic is like glass, right? Basically, style you want, you have to tell it. You can't just let it imagine the stuff. But Seedream, if you know this, it's awesome, man. The quality it generates. Oh my god, day 3 is like a keychain. Oh wow. I actually like this. Let's create a carousel poster. See, it can be about anything. Now I have this course, it can be about promoting a course. Let's say I'm selling a perfume. So that is what we'll be creating the carousel poster about, because I want to show something real rather than just promoting my course also. Let me show you an example. Okay, so I found this random picture of one perfume bottle. What we're going to do is upload that, and then we're also going to upload a picture of me. Yeah. Let me just find a picture. Okay, let's get me as a chef. And then can you make a poster of me holding perfume bottle? Let's see how that goes. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool. It actually has the text, I'm holding the perfume. This looks very good. I think it repeated the text again though, but see how consistent it is. It's doing exactly what I asked it to. That is the cool part about Seedream. It doesn't even have to be a perfume bottle. I released my website the other day. I can even promote that. Now paste in this, basically a photo of me holding the laptop with the website picture. Now we can change this to Instagram story ratio also, 4K only. Let's see what it does. Hey, this is also very good. The light is also not there. Okay, actually we can use, I'm going to use this on my story today. Let's see the reaction. If you want to try out Seedream, do check it out. If you have a product to promote, if you don't have, it's fine. But if you want to create an awesome high quality picture, Seedream is the one for you. That's it from my side today. My name is Rahul. You're watching Rahul the Rockstar, and I am signing out.